Tell you. Hi, I'm Deborah, and this is my partner, Brianna. And today we are going to unbox some jewelry. Brianna, what is this?
This is the golden ice bracelet.
From Touchstone Jewelry. This golden ice bracelet is beautiful. It comes in a great blue box. All their jewelry does. It'll be wrapped nicely. And look, what do you think, Brianna?
It looks so beautiful. I can't say a word. It looks very beautiful and very unique, and I already love these bracelets. They come with beautiful sizes. Sometimes they come out cold and they have such beautiful color: golden, black, red, silver,
Yes.
colorful, any color I really want. I wish they came with pink.
They do.
Beautiful.